Hi there. Today I'm going to take you through the main features of version 7.0 of the Venue theme. On this new version of Venue, we have implemented changes which we are delighted to share with you all. The first thing I want to share is that we have added a completely new feature to the Venue theme called Quick Shop. Over many years, we found that buying behaviours have changed, and shoppers want to add items to their cart as quickly as possible, then use the cart as a type of shortlist which they can then edit in a more considered way. Shoppers don't always want to visit the product page, and this is why we have developed Quick Shop, as it gives shoppers the option to add product variants to their cart without having to visit the product page. Before I move on to some of the other changes we've made to Venue, I'll show you the new Quick Shop feature and its settings. When you install Venue 7.0, you can visit the theme settings by clicking on Online Store when logged into your Shopify admin, and then select the Customize button for your theme. When you first visit Venue 7.0 in the theme customizer and hover over the default feature collection section, you will see the Quick Shop feature in action, as it is already enabled from the start. When viewing products on a product grid, you see a modal appear when you hover over any product. And within the modal, you see the options to choose which variant of the product you'd like and add the specific variant directly to your cart. In previous Venue versions, the Quick Buy feature only allowed shoppers to add a product to their cart if the product had no variants. But as you can see, this is not the case for the new Quick Shop feature. For this new Quick Shop feature, you can control its settings by clicking on Theme Settings and selecting Quick Shop. The first setting you will see is the Quick Shop type. By default, the modal is selected. However, you can choose to disable the Quick Shop feature or show a button instead of the modal. The rest of the Quick Shop settings allow you to choose what appears in the modal, such as changing the style of the Add to Cart button, selecting how you'd like your product variant options to show, displaying a tax notice, and more. We also give you the ability to enable the dynamic checkout buttons within the modal, so customers can check out instantly with Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, or Google Pay without visiting the product page or cart page. As well as this, you have the option to not reveal the cart to customers whenever they add a product to their cart. This will keep any customer more in the flow if they're adding multiple products to their cart, as they won't see the cart pop up every time they add a product to their cart. When you have the modal enabled, you've seen on desktop how the modal appears whenever you hover over a product. However, since there is no hover option on mobile, shoppers will see a small button on each product within a product grid, and when the button is clicked, the modal slides up from the bottom of the device. Now that I've shown you an overview of the new Quick Shop feature, I will fill you in on some of the other improvements we've made to the Venue theme. Now, we know how important it can be to have the right balance of sizing between all of the text on your store. In the past, some of you may have struggled to find the right settings to adjust your store's typography and font sizing. However, on Venue 7.0, we have reorganized the global settings in the theme editor. The product grid, product labels, and color swatches now have their own section settings, so you will find it easier to control the content within these important areas. We've also introduced some new settings so you can fine-tune the size, font style, letter spacing, and capitalization of product grid headings, navigation headings, and the buttons and labels components. As well as these Venue improvements, I will run through some other notable mentions in regards to what we have introduced or enhanced on Venue. We have added Italian translations to Venue. This will be very useful for any Venue users who want to display their store in the Italian language. we have added the ability to adjust the size of the color swatches in the product grid. You can now also use square color swatches as opposed to circle if you'd like. And we have also improved the logic of the out of stock unavailable variants on the product page. With the new powerful and smooth running quick shop feature, along with the various additions of settings and restructuring of the global settings within the theme editor, we hope this improved Venue version brings you to new levels of success with your online store. If you are already using the Venue theme and would like to install the latest 7.0 version, you can do so for free by visiting the Shopify theme store and selecting to install the latest version. You may be able to install the latest version from within your store's theme editor if you've never had any third-party app or custom code added to your current theme version. If you aren't using Venue for your online store already and you'd like to install it, you can do so by purchasing the theme through the Shopify theme store. I will leave a link to the theme store within the description of this video. I hope you liked this video, and I really hope you enjoy using the new features and settings we've added to Venue. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team by email on support@safeasmilk.co. I will also leave some helpful articles and links to our help center within the description of this video. Until next time, take care.